Vagina produces a whitish or clear fluid called vaginal discharge. The discharge can carry a pungent odor for many vagina owners across various age groups. So, they search for different ways to get rid of vaginal discharge odor. Mostly, odorless or musky scent discharge protects the vagina against infection, provides lubrication, and maintains the overall vagina health. However, if the odor becomes strong and persists for a long time, there are some ways to get rid of it naturally. Here are the fastest and safest DIY remedies with which you can easily reduce and eliminate vaginal odor. Number 1. Guava Leaves. Guava leaves contain antibiotic properties, which is an important ingredient to help with the treatment of vaginal infections. Bring 1 liter of water to boil, take the water off the heat, and add the guava leaves. Put the lid on the pot and leave to infuse for 3 to 5 minutes. Then, strain the leaves and place the infusion in a big basin. When the infusion has cooled and is comfortable to the touch, sit in the basin without clothes. Cleanse the whole genital area until the water cools completely. Do this 2 or 3 times a day. Number 2. Baking soda. If you thought baking soda finds its use only in cakes and bread recipes, you are wrong. You will be surprised to see how this tested method helps you to get rid of vaginal odor quickly. Add baking soda to your bath and soak your lower body in it for 20 to 30 minutes. You can also mix a tablespoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water and use it as a vaginal douche. Number 3. Hydrogen peroxide. The natural disinfecting properties of hydrogen peroxide kill the bad bacteria in the vagina. This leads to an increase in the number of the good bacteria that are naturally present there. Many studies have been conducted and they all prove the infection-treating capabilities of hydrogen peroxide. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water. Make sure it's only a 3% concentration. Dip a tampon in this mixture and quickly insert it into the vagina. Leave it in for not more than 30 minutes. You can repeat this every few hours until the foul odor subsides. Number 4. Betel leaves. The extract of betel leaves is used in ointments for its antibacterial properties. It also acts as an astringent. Tear the leaves into small pieces and boil them. Simmer for about 10 minutes. Cool the decoction until it reaches lukewarm temperature. Dip the tampon in this liquid and insert it into the vagina. Keep it there for 15 minutes. Remove and discard. Number 5. Yogurt. A strong vaginal odor can be an indication of a yeast infection. The good probiotic bacteria in yogurt can help fight the infection and reduce the odor as well. The acidic nature of yogurt helps bring the vaginal pH back to normal, and the lactobacillus bacteria present in it will help treat the infection. Dip the tampon in the yogurt and gently insert it into your vagina. Let it be there for an hour or 2. Remove and rinse the area. Additionally, if you suffer from a very strong vaginal odor, you can also dip cotton pads in the yogurt and gently rub them on the vagina.